Search for Office Deployment Tool in your browser. Click on the first result. Click Download here. Scroll down. Go to Local Disk C. Click on Create New Folder. Rename it to Office 2019. Open the folder and click Save. Open a new tab. Search for Office Configuration tool. Click on the first result. Click on Office Suites. Select Office Professional plus 2019 Volume License. Click Next. Select the language. For all other options, just click Next. Once you're done, click Export. Choose XML Format. Check the box to accept the terms. Click Export. Save it in the same location in the Office 2019 folder. Click Save. Open File Explorer and go to the Office 2019 folder on Local Disk C. Click on Install. Install it in the same folder as Office 2019. Once installed, go to the Start menu. Type Command Prompt. As you can see here, run as administrator. Click here. I've already typed the prompt. Check the description. I've already added the prompt. Copy the first prompt. Paste it here. Go to copy the second prompt. Paste it here. Press Enter. As you can see, it's installing here. Once it's installed, go to the Start menu. For example, type Word. Click Open. If there are any issues with activation, please check the description. I've added the video link to fix activation. That's it, guys. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.